Hello, my dear students. My name is Kiran Sharma. I am parenting coach and student expert, and I am founder of A1 Academy. So, my dear friends, our second question is a passage again. So, I'm telling you, my dear students, you have to read the passage carefully. So, see, this is passage about the UN's 2017 International Year tells the sustainable tourism is an important tool for development. So, you read the whole passage. Okay, so it is about tourism. Now, we will go to the its information. Okay, so based on data collected by survey by travel bureau, the following market of an eco-tourist was constructed. Okay, so here is mentioned age, gender, education, household composition, party composition, trip duration, expenditure, important element of trip, and reasons for making next tips. Okay, so it is all information about the tourism. Now I am telling you, you read the instruction carefully. So you can see here on the basis of your understanding of passage, attempt any 10 questions from the 12 that follow. So you have to solve only 10 questions, right? So जो क्वेश्चन आपको कॉन्फिडेंटली आते हैं आप वो ही कीजिए. डोंट डू दैट इज डाउटफुल. सो लेट बिगिन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. इन द लाइन recognized as the benchmark, the world benchmark does not refer to. Okay, so here our question is benchmark does not refer to from the option. So option A, the basis for something, so it is referred to benchmark. Okay, the criterion required, it is also referred to benchmark. Okay, now number C, the ability to launch something new. Okay, it is not referred to benchmark. And option D is a standard point of reference, it is also referred to benchmark. So our right answer will be the ability to launch something new. Okay, now question number 2. The World Tourism Organization of UN in an observation said that. So here you can see option number A, emerging economies of the world will again 57 of their annual profit from international tourists. So okay, in the passage I think profit के बारे में बात नहीं की गई है. Now let's see option B. Countries with upcoming economies shall see maximum tourist footfall from all over the world in the next decade year. Okay, so you can see here in the passage, here in the last line, see, as noted by the UN World Tourism Organization, 50% of international tourist arrivals will be in emerging economies by 2030. So here is a hint. See, now 2020, right? So after 10 years will be 2030. It means decade year. So answer will be B. Now question number 3. One of the elements that is important to eco-tourist on trip is, okay, wild and untouched surrounding, cultural exchange, car and bus rides, fully furnished flats. So our answer will be wild and untouched surrounding. Okay, see, one of the element that is important to eco-tourist on trip. So central exchange, it will not come, car and bus will not come, fully furnished it is also will not come. A, wild and untouched surrounding. Okay, it is correct answer. Cultural exchange will not come. Okay, one of the elements that is important to ecotourist on trip is, okay, so option A is wild and untouched surroundings. Okay, it is right answer. Option B, cultural exchange, it will not come. Car and bus rides will not come. Fully furnished, it is also will not come. Now question number 4, choose the option that lists the correct answer of the following. So see here, Asa Matthew, an NRI loves animals and wishes to travel to places that safeguard their rights and inculcate awareness of their rights. What kind of tourist is she? Now, option B is Gurdeep Singh from UK is an environmental scientist and has always chosen to travel to places that are example of symbiotic relationship between man and nature. What kind of tourist he is? Okay, so for the question's answer, you have to read the all type of tourist. So option A, number 1 is an ecotourist and 2 is an geotourist, no. And option B is an ethical tourist and number B is a geotourist. This is the correct answer. Okay, so why will not come other options? So you have to read the passage carefully. Now we will go to question number 5. Based on your understanding of the passage, choose the option that lists inherent qualities of geotourism. So you can see there are 6 types of showcases adventure sports, promotes landscape appreciations, promises luxurious travel, including being environmentally responsible. 5 leaves commercializing forest. Number 6 initiates donations for the underprivileged. Okay, so answer will be C, 2 and 4. 2 promotes landscape appreciation. Okay, and 4 is includes being environmentally responsible. Okay, question number 6. In the market and ecotourist, the information on gender indicates that. So read the option carefully. So female ecotourists were more than the male ecotourist. B option is the activity preferences were varied in females and males. Oh, this is the correct answer. Okay, now B option is correct answer. Question number 7. The education aspect in the market profit of the ecotourist revealed that history market trends were popular with undergraduates. Okay, ecotourists were only those who had basic education. History markets were popular tourist destinations or educated ecotourists. D option is ecotourism was no more limited to the small group of highly educated travelers. So correct answer will be now question number 8. According to the survey conducted by the Travel Bureau, the total percent of experienced ecotourists who did not prefer to travel alone was. So you have to calculate here or you have to read the passage carefully. Then you will get the correct answer. Now I will give you correct answer, don't worry. Okay, so it is answer will be 75%. B option, it will be 75%, right? Now question number 9. According to the survey, one of the most powerful driving forces leading experienced ecotourism to invest in new trips was. Okay, so read the options and try to give answer which is the correct answer. Okay, so have you got the answer? So setting up workstation in a new places, इसकी कोई बात नहीं हुई है. The change to go camping in the wild, no, it will not come. And competing with other ecotourists as frequent travelers, it will not come. So now last option is D, the opportunity to travel to new places. Yes, this is the correct answer. Okay, now question number 10. Choose the option that list statement that is not true. Listen carefully, my dear students. You read the passage carefully, then you will get correct answer. Here you have to use your logic. Telling you again, read the passage carefully. Okay? So see, question number 10th answer will be C. Emerging economies will receive negligible international tourists in the near future. So question number 11 is, the survey clearly showed that the age range of ecotourists. So here answer will be B, change with the monetary requirement for the trip. Okay, so now question number 12. Who isn't an experienced ecotourist? The person who has traveled an ecotourist once earlier, no. The person who is yet to travel even once as an ecotourist. So this is the correct